Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, ma. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Love you.
Hi Ed, happy birthday and more birthdays to come of course. And thank you day sa tanan nimong natabang sa mua tungkol sa gagmay pa mi imong mitagaan og mga sinina. And thankful kay mi nga nami iyaan nga amazing and fun and of course pretty. Stay pretty. And I hope na happy ka sa imong birthday karon. Enjoy sa mga umaabot pa na panahon unta maka-celebrate ka sa Pilipinas ta kauban na tatanan nga mag-birthday ka. And I know nga being away sa family is not easy. And I am proud of you that you did everything sa family and sa imong mga anak. Nitrabaho jud ka, bisag layo ka permi, nang gikaya nimo tanan. Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday, Jen! Happy birthday, Jen!
Hi, Ed. Happy birthday sa akong pinakagwapa, pinaka-sexy nga iyaan. Amping dra permi, Ed. Take care. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ed! Kanang, pag minyo na, Ed, oy, kaganahan na kayo mo paso, Ed, ay. Oh, mukha pa may gletsyon. 5 ka letsyon, Ed, ha?
Hi, Jing. Happy birthday. Always be a good woman. And daghang salamat sa imong pagtabang sa imong mga pangontins nga all the way nga ni kuan ka support yung kanila and thank you kayo kay imo jud gi kuan ang imong pagka-iyaan ang imong pagkainahan bisag layo ka kuan gi kasanan kanang very supportive kayo. Okay, just enjoy your day and agoy, ay itong pagsige ka grabe gini mo pala hubog dahi, ay itong pagsige inom ay wala na dahi gores na kaday among gawas na yan ay imong mga kasakit-sakit sa imong tuhod, sa imong hawak, so drink moderately.
Hi Regine! Akong pinakagwapang cousin. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy your day and I have a gift for you.
Vodka! Vodka!
Oh, happy birthday, Regine! My cousin, my pretty cousin. I wish you all the best.
Enjoy your day. Merry Christmas! Inigbalik ni mo ha. Don't forget ha. Ang among mga pasalubong.
Happy birthday! We love you and we miss you.
Amo pinaskuhan, ano ba?
just want to say great to you, my special friend, Regine, Dai, 8, Chang. Oh, it's better to say Fundagar. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi Tita, how are you? Just want to wish you a happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Wow, I still remember the last time you celebrate your birthday with us. It's been how many years? Time flies so fast, isn't it? And I remember those days. Those were the days I was really drunk and wow, super wild. I miss you. Happy birthday. I wish I could see you all guys, my Barbie dolls, ladies. Happy birthday. I miss you, Mama Chup Chup.
Hi, Ate Beshi! Happy birthday! Wishing you more birthdays to come. Good health and stay gorgeous and pretty and sexy. Amping kanunay or mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa araw-araw na ginagawa nyo. Enjoy your life and happy birthday! I love you!
Hello Regine! Hi! Kumusta na? Wow, stay sexy Happy birthday! God bless! And more birthdays to come. Balik ka na dito, dali. Mag-hiking na tayo. Tsaka mag-sayaw-sayaw na tayo.
Kaso, medyo paus tayo ngayon. So, hindi mo maririnig yung diva voice ko. Anyway, happy birthday. I miss you. Love you.